welcome to day 23 of studying for the CDMP. And the exciting news really is that we are finally done with chapter 3, which is data governance. So I'm moving on to chapter 4, which is more about data architecture. All right, cool. Look, I think because we're done with this chapter, I'm not going to speak about the detail of the things that I essentially learned, but I just want to summarize some of the key things that I learned from the chapter on data governance. So some of the key things that I really learned from the data governance chapter is that, look, data governance is an activity that involves various people within the business, and sometimes it has to be customized as per the company's culture and all of that. And more than anything, data governance is really about how people interact with data, how people use data, and whatever guidance is available for people to behave in certain ways. So data governance is really a cultural change. So if you genuinely wanted to implement data governance, you need to understand that you need to change how people behave and all of that. So it's really the biggest thing about data governance is organizational change. And you need to develop policies and all of that that make it easy for people to understand what decisions need to be made. And also you need to find very good ways of actually tracking the progress of your data governance activities, and also link data governance with how it actually benefits the business or how it helps the business achieve its overall strategic goals and all of that. And I think the other key thing is that you need to have ways that people can escalate certain issues of data governance. If we discover that the wrong people have got access to certain data sets, who do we report to and how do we get approvals and all of those various things. So data governance is really building a culture where people are able to use data in the right way through policies, through assigning people, through assigning KPIs that actually track the progress of this data governance initiatives and the value that they bring to the overall organization. So I think data governance was really a good chapter, from like learning about different policies, learning about regulation, all of that. It has been a great chapter. Honestly, that helped me understand quite a lot about data, especially from a strategic point of view that I was not really paying attention, as I'm someone who works in the technical field and all of that. So I've generally enjoyed data governance. I'm looking forward to what data architecture is going to be about.